Hi friends. So today in this video we will learn about the comfort zone. So we will learn three things basically. First is wh- uh, what is the reason this comfort zone is there? Second, why do you need to get out of your comfort zone? Third, how do you get out of your comfort zone? Different ways. So first, why is that comfort zone is means each and everybody, even if the one who writes the book to get rid of the comfort zone himself must be having a comfort zone. So everybody has a comfort zone. It's kind of a situation where you are not comfortable doing something, that is your comfort zone. So there are basically two three reasons of this uh, comfort zone in your mind. It's all in the mind. First it can be the psychological roadblock. uh, Maybe our psychology is like that we think that there is something which is difficult, I can't do it, or I'm not the one who is made to do this. A psychological. B it can be somewhere, sometimes it can be morally like that. So uh, we have seen people who are morally so much down that they are not able to do it. So there is a moral roadblock that is there in your mind. So there are several reasons because of that. every each and every individual has a different reason for that roadblock. Now it's a good question to ask, that why do we need to get out of that comfort zone? So it is all because when you aspire something, when you need to achieve something in your life, you need to get out of your comfort zone. So if you want to succeed in your professional life, if you want to achieve your aspirations, or else if you want to progress in certain things, then you need to get out of that your comfort zone. It's the only way. Now third thing is, how do we do that? So in this course that we have read, it wonderfully explained three steps, that how three ways basically I would say that we will be able to get out of our comfort zone. So first and the foremost is conviction, which is the easiest as well as the difficult, because sometimes it happens that we are not able to you know convince our mind to do certain things which is helpful for us. So first thing, which is conviction, you need to kind of work on your psychology. uh, when every each and every bone of your body is saying no, you need to learn how to say yes to that thing. This is how work on your conviction. And second is the clarity. Clarity should be there, that it should be very very clear in your mind, what if you will do it, what will you achieve after that. There are certain things, say for an example, a person who wants to learn music, right? And if he finds difficult learning it, so there need to be clarity, what's the scope of doing that. I'm just giving an example. There are certain set of things. Similarly, in terms of a student, he finds it difficult to prepare for an exam, but there should be a clarity of mind. Until unless that exam won't be clear, he won't be able to fulfill his dreams. This is one of the way. Third is the customization. So customization is basically, as it is clear from its name only, that customize things as per your convenience. It is not necessary always to get directly involved into something. Start with the small steps. Start, say for example, doing workout is kind of a out of comfort zone thing for somebody. So start waking up early first of all. Start roaming around inside your home. Start roaming around then outside your home, in a park or somewhere. then a little bit of hand movements, body movements, then exercise, then something like that. So customize it in your own way. Get out of your comfort zone. This is one of the thing. And if you talk about this, doing all these things requires confidence. So if you will ask that what is the method to get confidence in your life, so just try and tell your brain that you have been there, already. Whatever you are hesitating to do right now, because if you see whole of your life, you are not knowing how to walk. You have learned walking, right? You must have not done a job earlier, but you started doing job. You've been to school and colleges by your own. Earlier it was not the case. When you were not in college, you started college. You've done that. You passed exam. Similarly, there will always be chances that things that will be done for the first time. So this is the psyche you need to maintain in your mind. This is how you will gain confidence, and this is how you will be out of your comfort zone. Thank you so much.